If you're looking for that one kitchen gadget that does it all, from smoothies to soups, chopping veggies, or crushing ice, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be looking at the top 5 best blender and food processor combos of 2024. These versatile appliances are here to make meal prep a breeze and save you space, time, and effort. Before we dive in, remember to check the links in the description below for each product featured today. You'll find exclusive offers and discounts there if you decide one of these is perfect for your kitchen. One quick note, these picks are based on top sellers and highly rated products across major online stores. But if you have a different favorite or want to share your experiences, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. First up, we have the NutriBullet Triple Prep System. This one's a powerhouse, bringing you a full-size blender, a personal blender, and a food processor, all in one. The standout here is its vessel recognition, meaning it automatically adjusts its settings based on the attachment. With a strong 1500-watt motor, this system is designed to tackle everything from silky purees to thick nut butters. Pros? It's compact, easy to clean, and highly versatile. The downside? It's on the heavier side, so it might not be ideal for smaller kitchen spaces, but if power is your priority, this one's hard to beat. Our next pick is the Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System. Known for its sleek design and 5 versatile functions, this system is an excellent choice for everything from smoothies to frozen drinks. Its 1400-watt motor packs a punch, and with the Auto IQ technology, you can handle nutrient extractions with a simple button press. The pros? It's user-friendly with dishwasher-safe parts, and the Auto IQ tech is super convenient. The con? It's a bit loud, so if you're sensitive to noise, that's something to keep in mind. Overall, this one's a winner for smoothie enthusiasts. Coming in at number 3 is the Breville 3X Blueser. Now, this one's a bit unique. It's a combination of a blender and a juicer, perfect for those who love fresh juices and smooth, delicious blends. It has a cold spin technology, which keeps the ingredients cool while juicing. The pros? It's space-saving and great for those who prioritize fresh juices. Cons? With a 1000-watt motor, it's not as powerful as others on this list, but it's still a solid choice for juice lovers. Next up, the Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo. This model is a versatile machine with a 1200-watt motor that's ready to handle family-sized portions or single-serve smoothies. With multiple functions, it's an all-rounder for smoothies, spreads, and even salsas. The pros? Its strong motor doesn't stall, even with tough ingredients. But on the downside, it doesn't have as many preset functions as some others, so you'll need to be hands-on with the settings. Last but certainly not least, the Vitamix A3500. This one's top of the line with its advanced features and a powerful 2500-watt motor. With multiple preset programs, it's made to simplify your kitchen tasks, whether you're prepping sauces, soups, or shakes. The pros? It's powerful and comes with a full suite of blade attachments. Cons? The price point? It's the priciest on our list. But if budget isn't an issue, this one brings unmatched performance and reliability. And there you have it, the top 5 best blender and food processor combos of 2024. These machines offer a great mix of features, power, and convenience for every kitchen need. Remember, if you want to check out any of these in detail, the links in the description have exclusive offers and discounts for you. So, which one of these is your favorite? Do you already own one? Or is there another model you think deserves a shout out? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more top kitchen product reviews. See you in the next one.